everyone, it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. Ipsy unbagging for the month of February. So I got this yesterday, Monday, one of those. And on the back, it says, caution, keep package away from direct sunlight. I've already opened this. And I was like, what the heck does that mean? Oh no, I got something on it already. No. Anyways, this cute nude blushy bag with like some black lace on it, you know, Valentine's, kind of cute, feels nice. This is Oprah and Ipsy long lasting liquid lipstick in Ipsy Unzipped, that is the name. But there's already like, you can kind of see, there's like spaces. I mixed it around a bunch the other day, but like there's like, it's pulling away from the sides already, and I'm like, isn't this new? I don't care if it's mini, it seems full size enough, but like, it's new. There should be no separation. I should not be able to like see the little wand in it. Anyway, this color is divine. I wore this, it must have been Monday that I got this in the mail. I gave it a good like 20 minutes because I don't have anything Oprah. I don't have anything. This is the only Oprah product I have. Like, isn't that just so me? Like, it's more of a fall wintry shade, and I guess in most of the country February is still wintertime, but there's like a couple of clouds in the sky and like really bright and sunny right now. But I love this color, but it didn't dry down. Is that normal? Does anyone here have Oprah cosmetic liquid lipsticks? Do they dry down? Or do they take like an hour to dry down? Because I gave it like a good 20-30 minutes and it did not dry down, and I was very confused. This is something that is really cool. This is a State Do Me, a baked highlighter. I think it's a baked one, yeah, so it's curved, it is bigger. It's 3 grams, I want to say. Yeah, so I think Do Me is the color, D-E-W, like dew. But look, it's like pink and frosty and silvery and so freaking cool. I should have put it on today, but I wanted to finish up that other one. If you watch my Get Ready With Me, I finished up a highlighter today, had the last little bits. I might put this on later, maybe tomorrow. Like, look, it even kind of smells nice. Or maybe that's the lipstick, I can't quite tell. But like, it's so nice. It's not a ton of sheen, at least in a finger swatch, but like, I like that. But it's like a frosty pink. I think that's so cool. You know, maybe it's not every day, but like today it could have been. I might put it on top. Who knows? But I definitely, why did I put it back in the box? I don't know. But I definitely really like this. I'm excited for that. This is Maersk, Sydney in London. It's a loose pigment, foiled again. I don't know. Should I even open this? It looks like it'll be pretty, but I'm not really a loose pigment person. I still haven't used like the other loose pigments I've gotten. I think all my pigments I've gotten are from like various Ipsy bags, and I've not used like any of them. All right, let's put it on this hand. That's a lot. That seems a lot. So, oh yeah, I don't want this in my life. Well, now there's glitter everywhere because all loose pigments need glitter. Well, I guess it's really dark silver with glitter. I need a thing, something. No. I wish I hadn't taken the sticker off. Can I put it back on? There's like glitter flying in front of my face. Yeah, that's not something I'm gonna use. I know that already. That is too different of a color. Like, how would I use that? I don't know. I still haven't used other ones that I think are pretty. Like, it's okay, this is Abdo moisturizing retaining lotion for drying combination, 1/2 ounce. I did do a little dollop on the hand. I took off the seal the other day. Like I said, I just got this like on Monday, and it's Wednesday, and it seems nice. I don't really like the scent. It's just old lady kind of a scent. Smells like a lot. Like, it smells like a lot of my mom's old Mary Kay type of like lotion-y potion things. Just smells old lady. So I'm sure it'll be fine on the face. And I've gotten a few of those from Ipsy in the past where they're fine. Like, they work well, but the scent, you're just like, this smells old. So the reason why it had the sticker of don't be in direct sunlight is the Eva and NYC Freshen Up dry shampoo. So another little mini dry shampoo. I've heard of this brand. I don't think I've tried any of this, but I don't need any dry shampoo at the moment, but I will try this out. It's always great to have a mini, even if it's not your favorite kind of dry shampoo, you know. Most of them tend to work in a pinch, and even if it's not like the best, you're like, well, it's better than literally nothing for the most part. Every now and then you come across the few that are like, this did literally jack shit to my hair. Or the best, it made it worse. Anyway, so that was February. Here's January, this little cute like mesh, almost neoprene. I will conquer, or game face, or no, I will conquer blank. You're supposed to fill it in. And the theme was game face, because, you know, new year, all that fun stuff. Not the best bag, honestly. So this is the Eye Artist from Absolute New York in the shade Posse. I dropped the little sponge tip applicator, and honestly, I didn't use this at all. And as I said in my get ready with me, I didn't wear makeup for a lot. There it is. I mean, like, it's nice. It's a nice sheen. It's probably nice. You could probably use this as like a one shade all over the eye type of thing, but honestly, I've got those. I don't need another one. I've got stuff that's similar to this, and this is big. This is like 2 1/4 grams. That's a lot of product. No, sorry. Like, it didn't impress me. If it was that color, if it was this color, this like mauve-y, pinky color or whatever, but like super metallic, like I was kind of hoping it was, I probably would have kept it, but no. I know I'm getting rid of this. I've tried it before. This Oribe Gold Less Dry Shampoo. This is one of those dry shampoos that literally does nothing. If anything, it makes it worse. Literally does nothing. A lot of these things I had to pick up from my bag of, I'm giving this away. Like this Trust Fund Beauty Lip Scrub. I didn't like the scent. It was weird. I don't need more lip scrubs. I still have like 2. I don't go through lip scrubs that often. This is something that I do like, but I already own. This is the Balm Mary Luminizer. So I haven't touched this one because I do own the full size, and I want to give this to someone who doesn't have it, because this is a great highlighter. I love it a lot. I recommend it. I don't think it is super blingy. And again, it all depends on your preference. For me, I think it is a really nice sheen, and it's really pretty, and if you use a light hand, it can be really natural-ish. You know, like it still works with your skin, but it's definitely there. It's not unnoticeable, but it's definitely not like kapow, you're blinging to the gods. It's just like, oh, she's wearing highlighter, and it's really nice. Is this... Yeah, this is sad. Okay, the only thing I'm keeping is this tweezer from Farrah Brushes. Still not sure who Farrah is, but it's this weird double-sided tweezer. This side is like flat and angled, and then this side is pointed. Like it's really cool, actually. I like the idea of this. I've only used it a few times. I have my other tweezers, and I'm more used to them. They're Tweezerman, and I use them. But you know, like I don't have ones that are these. And I've only used this side a couple of times, more this side, but I'm more of a flat angle person, not like these pointy ones. But, you know, like, it's tweezers. Can't go wrong with tweezers. Like, they're good to have. So, yeah, last month, not that cool. February, okay, but I'm really more excited for the lipstick and the highlighter, because yeah, I'll use up the moisturizer though, because it's easy. Alrighty, that was Ipsy. We're right on time. Alright, you guys, be well, be happy, be healthy. Happy Valentine's Day, because that's when I'm filming this. And I'll see y'all next time, alright? Go on, go do fun things, and as always, go pet a cat. Bye!